Traders, let's take a look at what's on the move this morning. On the move, we got BYND up over 3%, almost a million traded pre-market. That's in play. WBA down over 5%, almost 500,000 traded pre-market. That's in play. ITCI down almost 10%, almost a million traded pre-market. We got a few here we can work with, so let's get to it. ITCI, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask. All right, we're in. We're in at 28.11. This thing's been dropping since it blasted off a few weeks ago. So big drop this morning. I think this thing dropped. Target on this is going to be about 27, and stop loss will be 29, about a point each way. ITCI, we're going to come out of this right here. This is taking too long for my liking. I'm going to push this up a little bit here. Nope, we got out. We got out. Oh, and just as I get out, the thing drops. I just saw the market. The market was igniting, and but I shouldn't have got out of this one. I should have waited. Look at that thing. Now it's going to go right to 27, maybe even 26. It's all right, though. We still got about 30 cents. WBA, we're going to take this for a short right here before it cracks. All right, we're in. Want to get in before it cracked 56. All right, here we go. Should crack now. All right, let's take a look at this thing up close. But target's going to be below the lows, and stop loss will be over the highs. Not a big mover, so this thing's taking way too long for me here. It's just consolidating around here. We're going to try to come out right here. All right, we're out. We're out for another 30 cents. It's just taking too long for me. And I'm going to take this as an opportunity to get out with a win, because this is a big company. It could easily climb back up, you know. So when it didn't drop there like I wanted it to, I'm just got out of it. BYND, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get in at these highs here. Come on. But it has to hit us now. If it don't, then we're going to cancel it. All right, we are in. We're in at 88.18. We're just looking for a point, 87, and stop loss will be over 89. But this thing has been dormant for a while. It just started to wake up yesterday, I think. So this thing can really climb, but it needs a pullback here, I think. Let's take a look at this thing up close. I'm not going to give it much time. If it don't drop soon, we're just going to come out of it. BYND, it's taking a little too much time for my liking here. We're going to come out of this. All right, we're out. Oh, and as soon as I get out, the sucker drops. Oh, man, that stinks. But that's all right. We still got about another 30 cents. So it's been a 30-cent session so far today. All three trades with 30 cents around there. That's pretty funny. BA, we're going to take this for a short right here. All right, we are in. We're in at 331.10. We think this thing drops pretty hard here. We're going to try to get a point off of this here. At least over a point, I think. I think we can get this down to below 330. But if it doesn't drop, we'll come out around over 331. Let's take a look at this thing up close. It's weak today, so it's had plenty of chances to climb. It hasn't. We're at the lows here. It might climb a little bit here, but I think it just drops a little bit here. We got volume. Not a ton, but we got volume. Does not want to crack 330. But it's not breaking the way I want it to break. We're going to come out of this right here if we can. It's just taking too long to break. All right, we're out. We're out with, what is that? Another 25 cents. ITCI, we're going to take this for another short right here at the ask. Squeezing up here. All right, we are in. We're in ITCI. Second trade on it. We took about 30 cents off of it earlier, and then it just dropped quite a bit more. So we think it's just pulling back from the lows here, and it's just going to drop probably below the lows again. Target's going to be below the lows somewhere, or around the lows, and stop loss will be over 28. Not going to give this one too much, but we think this drops. I don't see why not. ITCI. All right, it's coming down to us. Consolidated up there for a little bit. But it's moving really slow. Way too slow for me. Yeah, this thing's moving way too slow here. ITCI, we're going to come out of this right here at the bid. We're out with a 3-cent loser. Yeah, I should have dropped right there. When it didn't drop right there, you know, I'm starting to think the sucker's going to climb. BYND, we're going to take this for another short right here at the ask if we can get in. All right, we are in. We're in at 85.05. I like that big drop from the top. We had it up here and we only took a few cents because it spooked me. It was hanging out there way too long, and I got out with a very small win and it dropped hard. Now it's pulled back from the lows and it just poked its head over 85, but we think this thing goes back down to at least 84, and that's we'll take it around 84, and stop loss will be around 86. We're coming up on it, but we're going to let it breathe because it could easily go back down just as fast as it goes up. This stock can move. BYND, all right, looks like it's coming back to us. Look at this a little closer. Just looking for about 84. If we can get more, we'll get more. We got about 50, 60 cents. All right, let's not get greedy. Let's take this here if we can. All right, we're out. We're out with about a 60-cent winner, just in case it pops back up there. The stock was up huge this morning, so it pulled back quite a bit. That's why I got in it, because it looked like it just pulled back from the lows and it was just going to continue to drop again. But you never know. The market's still climbing. Anyways, traders, that's going to be it for us today. Don't really see anything else that looks good. The market is still climbing. It's near all-time highs. Even with all the geopolitical noise out there, the market's still near all-time highs. Every dip's being bought up. Anyways, traders, we're up 236. Let's take a look at the trades. 6 trades, 5 small winners, and 1 small loser. Our biggest winner on BYND and our loser on ITCI. Thanks for watching.